Understanding Series Premiere, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, series premiere. This is a term you often hear in the world of television and streaming. Our goal is to help you understand not just its meaning, but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. Series premiere refers to the very first episode of a new television series. This is the episode that introduces viewers to the show for the first time. It's important because it sets the tone, introduces the main characters, and often lays out the main plot or theme of the series. The series premiere is a big event for TV shows, as it's their first opportunity to attract an audience. In the world of television, the series premiere is crucial. It's the show's first impression to the world. Producers and writers put a lot of effort into making it engaging and memorable. For viewers, it's their first experience with the show's characters, setting, and story. A strong series premiere can lead to a successful show, while a weak one might mean the show struggles to find its audience. Now, let's look at some examples of how to use series premiere in a sentence. 1. I'm excited for the series premiere of the new superhero show tonight. 2. Did you watch the series premiere last week? It was amazing. 3. The series premiere set high expectations for the rest of the season. These examples show how you can talk about a series premiere in everyday conversation. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, series premiere. Remember, it's all about the very first episode of a new TV series. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.